Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm in the dark for one reason and one reason only for this video. I'm going to be showing you the auto high beams on your new Yukon. And now this is a 2024 I'm sitting in. So for the entire generation from 2021 to 2024, this will be applicable. So let's hop right in. It took me a while, not today, but over time when I started working here to figure it out. I had to actually take a Yukon at night outside in the dark to test it out. But it's easy as clicking this twice, by pushing it out. You push it out twice and your A comes on, and then you push it out twice again. And it has to be kind of rapid, but not super quick. Once again, twice, and it does turn on the high beam, so you'll see it. Once again, back on. And I like having it on because it'll automatically, turn the brights on for you, so you don't have to worry about it while you are driving. I want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you're having a great day. This is the Denali, and it's absolutely stunning. Other than that, I'll see y'all soon.